wonderful viewers. Welcome to Halfring Films, and I'm by the name Eugenia Nana Ama B. Buama Jr., popularly known as Vic. Today, I'm here to interview our cast from Halfring Films. But before that, let's go for a quick commercial break. We shall be right back. Welcome back, viewers. Welcome to my studio.
Wow, I appreciate you, wonderful giving so far.
By the way, Santi, you're my brother.
Sure.
You deceived me.
Oh, it was because of something that's money. It was also from the influence of my friend, that's why.
And that same friend betrayed you and I.
Sure, that's how the world is. So, I don't even trust people nowadays.
You don't trust because
Sure.
you have learned a lot in perfecting things, right?
Of course, yes.
All thanks to Sims.
Sure, that's how they are.
A good brother and at the same time good friend.
Oh, sure.
Okay, so how can you tell me about yourself?
Well,
The name you are using in the movie.
okay, sure. My real name is Frimpong Prosperity Boache, but in Perfect Teen series, they called me Kobe Pero, or for short, Pero, yes.
Okay, Peru. So where do you come from? Where do you stay?
Well, I do stay at Mount Pontin. I stay at Mount Pontin. Currently, I'm a service personnel, and I've been posted to one of the government schools around here, so I do stay around currently until maybe final places come.
So Perry, how did you get to Halfring Films?
There's a whole lot. I've been into several productions, in fact, several productions. So my last production was with Pimpina TV. It was two productions which was combined, home-based multimedia and also Pimpina TV. So we combined, so through that multimedia and Pimpina TV, that was where I got to know one particular director. It was called Sims.
Okay,
Sure, so yes, Sims Kwabena. So it was through him that I got into Perfect Teen series because he called me on the Prosperity. Oh, I like the way you act and I want you to feature in my upcoming series. I was like, oh wow, that's a great opportunity, and I accepted the offer as well.
How was your first time sitting in front of a camera to act?
Oh, being in front of the camera is one of the easiest things I normally do because I've been in a production for years. Back way from 2016.
Wow.
Sure, so I wasn't afraid, I wasn't scared, everything was cool, and I was also glad to be with the member that I was on set with that particular day. We laughed, we enjoyed, we had some conversations together, and it was perfect.
What do you think about your role, the role that you were playing as my brother?
Okay, you being my sister was one of the greatest opportunities was given to me, and I liked the role very well, just that I was being scammed by a certain fraudster. Sure. So I like the role, but just that the director should have at least given me one girl being the scene. You see that I can enjoy small.
Why is everyone expecting for a girl to enjoy?
Oh.
So if not I was your sister in the movie and to be your girlfriend, how will you feel?
Oh, greatest opportunity! I'll grab it like blessing from God.
When you grab it,
Aish.
what will you do?
You get to at all.
Really? Who is your role model?
Role model in the actual industry, frankly speaking, I have several models. I don't have a specific one like maybe John DeMello, this one, I don't actually have a specific role model. Sure, so I think the only thing that I can do so far is about when they ask me to cry. Since 2016, when they told me to cry, no, it will take about 5 years for me. So I don't like crying at all, but I start crying every role show. So I don't actually have a specific role model in the acting industry, sure.
So after acting or shooting Perfect Teen series, what comments did you get from your neighbors?
Oh, from my neighbors, I had few comments from them, but on campus, during that time I was still in school. So on campus I received much comment from my friends. Hey Kobe, so I've seen you posting something on your start, Perfect Teens, what's up with it? They were mentioning that series, they were like, oh.
So were they very happy?
Oh sure, they were like, actually your sister
yeah, I see your Mura, Bono with
you see that thing? Sure. They even requested for your number because they were like, hey, this your sister there. It's very nice, so can you dash it to me? I was like, you just wait for a while. When the series come, maybe you will know what to do then.
Okay.
So my parents too, they it wasn't new to them because they've seen me acting so many times. I remember we've used our house for one of our scenes before, so it's something that's normal to them.
So what are you going to tell the youth or the viewers watching?
Okay, one thing from our series, you got to know that it was a lot. It comprised a lot of things, betrayal, fraud, and all that. So I'll tell the guys that not even the guys alone. Even now, the ladies even do more fraud than the guys. So I'll tell them like it's best you find a particular record do than blackmailing your friend, using false things like that. And one thing is, there's one thing that I normally tell my friends: whatever thing that you are good at, try and do it well. Because you don't know where. Yes, you don't know where it will end you one day.
Okay, that's good of you as my brother. Okay, so now say shout out to 5 people.
Oh, okay. The first shout out goes to my director. That's the one through whom I got to know this director. That is sure Pimpina, and also yes,
Pimpina.
Nana. Yeah, Pimpina, and also a second director called Fanboy. He's the one who raised me from 2016 till I got to meet Pimpina. So my second shout out goes to him. And also the third shout out goes to all my team members from Half Rain Films or Half Rain Multimedia.
Okay.
My friends on campus and also my family members as well.
I forgot to ask you this, but I have to still ask before you go.
Okay, no problem.
Are you dating? Married? Or what?
I wish to answer this question maybe some other time because if you ask me to explain further, I'm not actually dating now.
You are not dating?
Sure.
Why are you not dating?
Oh, I'm not dating because currently
Are the man's or woman?
a man's like, oh, if I want to date now, I can get a girl.
You can get a girl.
Sure. I can get even 2, 3, I can even get, but the reason I don't date now is
Viewers, please, if you like my brother, see me.
sure.
Take my number. Call me. See how handsome my brother is. If you really like him, call me.
Okay, thanks for the advertisement. I know after this interview, I'll be getting several calls from you.
Okay, brother. Thank you very much. But you know something, it is because of you. The last time I talked to you, like we using that word as a brother and sister. After talking to you, I said, "Love you too, darling." Do you know what happened to me? I had a broken heart.
Sorry for that. Maybe you will just try and maybe restore your happiness back to
Pablo
us again.
nearly killed me.
Sure, if it was to be me, I would have done the same thing because it hurts to see a girl saying I love you to another guy. He never knew I was your brother, that's why. So I don't blame him for
But
that.
I tried to explain for them. Pablo, wherever you were, please. I wasn't cheating on you. I was just talking to my brother. Okay.
But that's how ladies are. You people like cheating. That's why I don't even involve myself in
But the same thing applies to the men.
Really?
And you bank on they say be pay cheating. And men not pay cheating, women not pay cheating.
It's not my man
Yeah.
small.
And man
2%.
is a crazy.
Ah,
And man, you hear the answer.
It's a whole lot, right? Don't worry.
But my ladies, please shine your eyes. Cheating on your boyfriend will not help you.
Sure.
If you want to be with one person, just be with the person. And if you think that this person will help you in life, focus on him. Help, pray for him that the work that the person is doing should go up so that it will be good for you and him. A cheating person is not good. And please, ladies, don't be a cheater to cheat on you guys. Okay? Thank you very much. And thank you to my lovely brother.
Highly welcome. And I also appreciate your wonderful Anna and also invitation as well.
Thank you very
welcome.
much. Okay, see you once again. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this interview. But don't forget to go to YouTube, search for Half Rain Films, and watch Perfect Things. Don't forget, like it, share, subscribe, and even add comment to it because there are more to come. And this movie is very interesting. Love you all. Bye bye.